Today is our day 23 of Project 50 of improving myself. So after renewing my gym membership early in the morning, mga amigo, I try to work out afterwards, and then I go back to my place to cook and prepare my second meal of the day, which is a potato and carrots, like that. Simple dish lang siya. And afterwards, I go add some eggs on it, and then adds asin lang pala, hindi siya ang tawag si Suning ata. And we had some tuna in it. And by the way, mga amigo, I just want to introduce you to this Usana Vanilla Protein, no, na napakaganda, no. So it's a vegan protein. Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon as of now. And ayan, mga amigo, I have my reading session. Sorry for that. And afterwards, we got invited by the Osana skincare testing, no? So, napakaganda ng skincare nila, no? So, ayan. And ayan, mga amigo, pauwi na tayo. We go back to Grandma's place kasi kukunin natin ang suit ko kasi ipahiram ko kay Jared. Kasi gusto niyang magandang mag-suit bukas. And ayan, mga amigo, we go walking.